Okay, welcome back. It is day 200, my God, of doing this, of coding every single day. Um, maybe a quick reflection. I think I did the same on day 100. I mean, I think the series, like in terms of actually helping me, has kind of fallen off. That first like 2 months was amazing. Doing like the advent of code and working on personal projects, but throughout the semester and then into the summer, I just have so much stuff I'm working on that these are just like I do elite code, which is better than nothing. Um, but at the same time, if you've noticed or if you watch any of my videos sequentially, um, it's all just like the same concepts because I'm like tired after the day and I'm like, I don't want to go and learn dynamic programming or I don't want to go and learn, you know, high level, I shouldn't say high level, but like more complex like stack manipulation or heap stuff or stuff like that. So I definitely think, you know, the last 100 days haven't been as great as the first 100 days. But nonetheless, I am pretty, I guess, proud that I've, haven't missed a day in 200 days of being able to do something every day, which is nice. But it would be even better to, I don't know, maybe I start. That's the thing, is it like I should actually talk to my people at the where I'm doing my research, but like I wonder if I can show the code because the whole thing is that like I don't think I can show the code, nor though maybe I want to. And so it's like I have a full day of coding and then I come back and it's like I still have to like code something else, switch focus, which can be, a little lackluster. So at the same time of saying, oh, want to put more into these videos or something, not really, because I'm already doing minimum 5 hours of coding a day, which is the most I've ever done. Not in one day, but like consistently every single day. So yeah. Um, didn't go into lab today. Actually, we had a little field trip today to a institution that I had to sign an NDA for, so I can't talk about that. But it was nice. Learned some stuff that can be applied to my project for the research. And then tomorrow I'm going to a semiconductor company that makes like really cool tech stuff. And one of the things they make is smart homes. Um, and that's what I'm working on this summer is making smart homes for individuals with autism. So that'll be amazing. And they said there'll be engineers on site that I can, kind of pick the brain of. So after this, I actually need to come up with a bunch of questions that I can ask them while I'm there tomorrow. Um, but yeah, not much else to say. As for the actual coding behind me, I won't lie, I did record this a little earlier and I failed the leak code like miserably. It was like something like Lexa something order, and it was like retaining original order of a string while recreating it, taking out all like just leaving distinctive values. I couldn't figure out how it wanted me to sort that, so I did this one, um, which was just return the third maximum element. If there is none, return the maximum element. So it was just if there's more than three, sort it in reverse and return the third value within that. And if it's less than three, then you just return the first value because it's sorted in reverse. So very, very easy question. But yeah, so I'm going to go and take it probably just easy the rest of the night, and come up with those questions for tomorrow, and I'll let you know how that visit goes. So, okay, happy day 200. Let's hope there isn't a 300 day. Okay, take care. Bye.